Hello and welcome to Wandering WandA. I'm Ariel. This is our last stop in the 40-day tour of the Grand East Coast with Fantasy RV Tours. We are at Stagecoach RV Park in St. Augustine. We are at site 40. It is a long site. Park the truck at the front, and there's still a little bit of space here. We are underneath this tree. They need to trim these branches so we can get a better Starlink reception, but right now it is working. We have 50 amps, water in, water out. Most of the utilities are near the rear, so that's fine. So everything's able to reach with one cord. Now my electrical is only, I think, 22 or 23 feet, and I do know the hose is 25 feet, and so is the sewer line. We did have to put one block down. It's fairly low in the front, high in the back. Alright, would I stay at this park again? I think I would. Only because they're all pull-throughs. There are a couple of back-ends. So there are two Airstreams here that I do need to flamingo. There's one over there, and one just pulled in. That one's a 28, not 27. And there's a 28 that just pulled in over here. They're setting up right now.
Absolutely gator. Smoked gator tail, folks, one of my favorites. Now,
No magnolias.
is anybody back there saying no magnolias on Magnolia Avenue? That's it, guys. See, 1894, we had a big freeze come through, got down to 10 degrees, killed all the magnolias. We replaced them with live oak, a much hardier species. Beautiful. Coming back into that quiet zone, folks, I'll be back with you towards the other end. This is the only one we have, just so you know. So we're going to move to the 1880s and my hero, Mr. Henry Flagler, folks. Mr. Flagler, in the 1880s, he's here to build hotels and railways.
So hi, welcome to the St. Augustine Lighthouse. My name is Hannah. I am our Education and Programs Manager. But just as a reminder, because it is a little toasty, that lighthouse is not air conditioned. So when you're going up all of those stairs, you might not realize that it is a little more warm and humid. Please remember to drink water.
Congratulations, you made it. Eureka.
Five-star detail. Here is his info. And here's the gentleman washing Lone Star and the trailer. I'm gonna give you a little plug. I have I'm gonna give you a plug. I have a small YouTube channel.
Oh, awesome. Thank you.
Doing a brilliant job. He's detailing the front seat, and the truck looks fabulous. He waxed it, so it's going to be a 3-month. He says it's going to last for 3 months, the wax. So that's a good thing. He's doing a great job with the truck. And then he's going to use the trailer next. Or WandA. Garrett did an excellent job with the inside of the truck. And especially the center console. You got all that stuff out. Looks great. Just got back. He's still here. Did a great job with WandA. Looks fabulous. I do recommend this guy if you're out here. And this is where we had lunch. It was a good restaurant. We are here at the Columbia.
It's the name of the ship that they came over on.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. I was thinking the country.
Not the
Okay.
country, yes.
Thank
It has a
you.
view. Yes, sir.
All right. We have a private room. It's probably a set menu. Oh my God, everyone's here already.
Choose.
So this is our farewell luncheon. We have this beautiful room with the
We're
Spanish
short people.
influence. I hope you all enjoy just being in this room. Yeah. And the food is spectacular. If you like this feel and this vibe, you can find more of this Spanish in the gift shop. Okay? Some nice cookware and things.
Anticipation of finding out who won the poker hand. Am I right?
Yes. We didn't.
We'll do in first place. First place, 4 of a kind, 4 nines, rig number 21. You have the choice of these immeasurable prizes up here, and you need to come up and pick it up because once it's gone.
Bottle of mouthwash.
New fantasy trip to Alaska.
Is it
Second
a?
place, 4 of a kind.
Oh, we didn't get that.
4 fives. Rig number 11. And third place, a full house, 9s over 8s, rig number 16.
Okay, Paul, you may scoot around and choose what's left.
Everybody looked at
There
you.
you go.
Take another big bite.
Yeah.
Okay, Fred, you gotta look this way. Everybody smile. Everybody smile.
We'll have to come up with another
Come on.
prize.
Things are out of film.
Oh, it's out of film.
Out of film.
Go back to Kodak and buy some more.
Hang on a minute.
Did you advance the film?
Is it Fuji or Kodak film?
What?
Okay, there's no money in there. He forgot to bring a check. We'll mail it.
We'll mail it.
We'll mail it. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
We have donuts and hard-boiled egg.
I've been half tempted to go back up to the